Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Ask for what you want. This is a great card, man. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 200, NASDAQ up 132, S&P's up 1.5, gold contract down $82, trading at $17.78 an ounce. Silver down $1.76, $26.05 an ounce. Light sweet crude off $1. $71.16 a barrel, notes and bonds. The 10-year note up 7 ticks, trading 131.31. 30-year up 1 point plus 29 ticks, just about 2 ticks, 2 points rather, 159.23. Both of them are in ABC structures on the way up, folks. They blew away B points. Wide price spread, accelerated volume. Lower for longer, higher rates, forget it. Lower rates are coming at us and higher price. King Dollar. King Dollar's got that bid, got a follow through on the bid, up 776, trading 91,899. The euro's at 119, the yen is at 110, and the British pound's at 139 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, what are we doing? Well, we're laying at highs out here in the S&Ps, folks. Right now, the SPY is at 422.14. My take is that you're going to start the next leg up. Why, folks? Because guess what? The NDX 100, and, we talk about this a lot, man. The bottom line is that you have the chip stocks bring the NDX up, bring it down, bring it anywhere it wants to bring it. You can see out here today. Inside the NDX 100, what do you have? You have AMD up 5.6%. Xilinx is up 5.5%, and NVIDIA is up 5%. You're talking about monster numbers. We get over to the 3 Qs, and what we have out here is that we were in an ABC structure on the way up that would basically take us over the highs. Now what you have, folks, and this is how bullish this is. When you have multiple ABC structures, and that's what we have. We're blowing away the B point today. You're blowing it away with volume. We're at 345.83. Your new projection out here is 353. So you're talking about, you're not only going to get away from the high. The last high we're dealing with is 342. 353 is 10 points, of course, 11 points above that high. That's in the NDX 100. We take a look at the NASDAQ Composite. NASDAQ Composite also in an ABC structure on the way up. Bottom line, Composite right now hasn't taken out the highs yet. The highs in the Composite is 14,211. We hit 14,195 today. Bottom line, the ABC structure, price projection inside the comp is 14,530. You're taking the B point out today, and we will have the volume on the B point. So on the Qs, we already have the volume. At the end of the day, we need to do more than 4.3 billion and the composite. We'll see what we do. Right now, we need 1 billion shares coming into the close, but that's normally not that hard to get. Gold contract, here we go, man. You talk about smoking gold, they smoked it, and I love smoking gold, man. It's pretty amazing in the gold market in general of how this always shakes out. Now, the danger is that when you get 2 big bars like this, okay, man, we got to get a third one. That would be the danger on the bear side. On the bull side, you haven't broken the swing point yet. The swing point is 1766. 17? No, 1756. We hit 1767.90 today. And, going into a Friday is dangerous. There's no 2 ways about that. So we'll see how this baby shakes out. Thus far, bottom line, not breaking that swing point is bullish. That's the real bottom line. He smoked in 2 days. There's no doubt. In 2 days, we have just gone down 1866. Yeah, we're going down $100 in 2 days. Silver. We go take a look at the silver market out here. What we have with silver. And it took a while for them to break silver. This was interesting because silver was holding tight. Bottom line, they took it south big time. Silver is down. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is pretty cool, actually. Silver's down, man, but there's hardly any contract volume here. 225,000 contracts. That can't be right. Yeah, it's not a lot of contract volume, man. Well, now we just rolled, but that's still not a lot of contract volume. It's interesting. Okay, so we'll see how this shakes out. Silver got to 25.85, and 25.82 is the number, is that swing point. Notes and bonds. We go take a look at the note and bond market. What do you have at the note and bond market? And this is where there's some heavy divergence, man. This is like about as whopped as you can get. The bottom line is that you had the 10-year reject 131.14 today. You're at 131.59, so it came under the breakout point, rejected it, went higher, has lighter volume than yesterday. That's what you're looking for. The 30-year was up 2 points, man. And this is where we're at 159.19. That little baby just blew away a B point, has the volume behind the move. This is, man, this is going to go down the record books, man. So your B point on this is, let's call it 160. A's 155.5. So you get 4.5 points, which gets you, let's see, 162.5. 162.5. I suspect we're going to run to 165. The TLT, you'll see that. I mean, that's the 20-year plus. This was up a couple bucks, I think. Yeah, it's up 234. This is an ABC structure on the way up, too. It's blowing away the B point. B point there, we had 19 million. You're at 26 million. Let's see what we got. What is that? That's 142.5. You get 37, so we get 5 points. That's 145.21. 145.21. Probably go to 147. Where when I'm giving you these numbers, the 147, that's ice. That's what that is, okay? That's where you take another leg down. That's where I suspect we're going to go. Pretty wild. The whole thing's pretty wild, actually. Now, good old King Dollar. King Dollar, man, this is a big bid. There's no two ways. 2 days, huge bid. You know, we'll see where this shakes out. King Dollar's right at the 0.618. Now, what happens, folks, is that when you do a 0.618 retracement, it's showing that it's very strong. Now, we did this in 2 days. You know, so the bottom line is that you can expect something higher. Then we'll see, bottom line, if, in fact, you can get any more juice behind it. You know, the 0.618 retracement on this whole move was 91.951. We hit 92. We're at 91.895 right now. Stay right there, folks. Coming right back.